Hi everyone, see this problem here. How to find current I in the given circuit? Yes, voltage source is given. Then what is the current source here? So here one capacitor, one resistor, one inductor is given. So inductor is 1 Henry and resistor is 2 ohms and capacitor is 0.05 farad. So at omega is equal to 5 radians per second. This is the angular frequency given. So at this angular frequency, what is the current in the given circuit? And this is a problem. So first of all, according to Ohm's law, we know that V equal to I into Z. Here reactive components are there, that's why I am taking the impedance. So first of all, find the overall impedance for the given circuit, so then we can easily find the current. Okay, for finding overall impedance, first of all convert the each component to impedance form. So here inductance is given as 1 Henry. So for inductor the impedance is SL. So S means j omega into L is given as 1 Henry and omega is given as 5 radians, means 5J. So this is the inductor impedance. Now similarly find the capacitor impedance. So capacitor impedance is 1 by SC, nothing but 1 by j omega into C is given as 0.05, that is 1 by omega is 5J into 0.05. By simplifying this, we will get minus J4. This is capacitor impedance. For resistor, the impedance is itself, nothing but 2 ohms. Let us assume that this is Z1 impedance and this is Z2 impedance and this is Z3 impedance. Here we want overall impedance. So for the circuit, overall impedance is equal to, so Z1 and Z2 are in parallel. This overall is in series with Z3. Z1 nothing but capacitor impedance, that is minus J4 parallel with Z2, that is R resistors, means 2 ohms, and again in series with inductor impedance, that is Z3, that is 5J. By using calculator, by simplifying this, we will get overall impedance, that is 1.6 plus J 4.2. From the equation, we will get current I equal to V by Z. So here V is given as 4 cos omega t. So here voltage amplitude is 4 and phase angle is 0 is there. It means amplitude is 4 and phase angle is 0. So voltage is considered as 4 with phase angle 0 upon, and Z is 1.6 plus J 4.2. So by simplifying this, we will get 4 with angle 0, and this complex sum also I am going to convert into amplitude and angle form, that is 4.494 with angle 69.14. So it is in the form of A plus IB. If you want amplitude, just simply apply root of A square plus B square. If you want phase angle, nothing but theta equal to tan inverse of complex part by real part. Okay. Now by further simplification, we will get 0.89 with phase angle minus 69.14, and this is the current. So this is the current amplitude and this is the current phase angle. But in the problem, it was given in terms of cosine form. So first of all, convert this into cosine form. So that is, first of all write the current amplitude. So current equal to, current amplitude is 0.89 cos of omega t. Here omega is given as 5 radians, nothing but 5t plus phase angle, that is minus 69.14. So this is the required current for the given problem. So from the options, option D is the correct option, and this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.